Hello and welcome back for another Gala Games price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis here on the Gala Games chart and also give you my next price targets. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to start with the fundamental analysis, where yesterday we were expecting the PPI data and the FOMC meeting, where we had a hawkish pause on the FOMC meeting, and as a result of that we saw a massive breakdown here on the charts, where you can see that we had been trading within this ascending channel, which now gave us a break to the lower side rather than the breakout to the upper side, which is what we were expecting. And as a result of that, you can see that we have also continued to see further breakdown, where we are holding below the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance. And the moment we managed to break out of this ascending channel that we had been trading within, we were able to hit invalidation points. And that also means that we have an ascending trend line that we had been obeying over here that we managed to lose. And there is also an area that I want to give you, basing it on the Fibonacci's, that we need to keep our eyes on in case further breakdown continues here on the Gala Games chart. And using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low that we made last week after seeing the massive crash to the high that we made after seeing that a recovery to the upside, I get an area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which is the area between the $0.02055 mark and the $0.019996 mark. And I have highlighted that area on the charts using that red target area. And there are chances that in case further breakdown continues and we get into this target area here on the charts, then we can expect a possible reversal to the upper side and continue gearing up, because there are chances that after seeing our low last week after the massive crash, then whatever we have on the charts is a move that is obeying the Elliot wave structures, having that as the first wave, and this is now a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, before we can expect a wave 3, then a wave 4, and then a wave 5 to the upper side, completing an even larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. So that is the first move that we can have in mind here on the Gala Games chart. The other possible scenario that can play out in case we continue seeing further breakdown into the target area and we don't see a reversal within the target area and we continue seeing further breakdown, then that would be suggesting an even more bearish scenario here on the charts, where we could possibly get a reset of the low that we made on the 10th of June. That was last week after the massive sell-off. That is the other possible scenario that you also need to have in mind. And jumping to the 4-hour chart to give you my long-term point of view here on the Gala Games chart, but still basing it on the Elliot wave structures, you can see that after seeing our December lows, we saw a 5-wave move to the upside, having the wave 5 giving us a high at around the $0.06294 mark, completing the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 1. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 2 in a move that has now fully maximized our minimum target area. And at some point we even lost the fib level 0.78, which was a minimum retracement area for that wave 2. And as a result of that, that is now putting a major challenge on the recovery of these larger Elliot wave count 3, since we have lost major significant areas of support in the formation of this wave 2. Though I still have the benefit of doubt that Gala Games could still bounce in what would be the start of an impulse in the formation of this wave 3 and give us a 5-wave move to the upside, followed by an ABC corrective structure. And once you see such a move, then that will be enough confirmation that Gala Games has now started an impulsive move to the upside in the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 3. On the indicators, we are trading at around the 44 mark on the RSI. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, so let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.